everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm still loving my bullet journal and I can't believe we're already in February. I really loved using the mood tracker this last month. It's my first time doing it and it's really fun to look back on how you're feeling. I also really liked my January layout, which leads me into February. Not much is going to change. I like the horizontal layout, but this month it is all themed around, you guessed it, love, with lots of hearts and cuteness. Again, I try my best. I actually went out and I bought some Muji pens, which I really enjoy using because I find that when you go to erase your pencil markings, because I'm still such a newbie at this, I need to outline all of my ideas, but the Muji pens allow you to erase and the ink doesn't go anywhere. So I hope that you enjoy my bullet journal layout, and let me know in the comment section if you have any questions down below. Thanks for watching. I decided to try something new this month. This is a gratefulness tracker or just rememberer. You basically have one thing that you are grateful for a day and kind of fill that in as the month goes on to help, keep you aligned and thankful, and I think it's just nice to look back on.